Ever feel like you're wearing a mask that you can't take off? Today we're going to be journaling through 5 journal prompts that will help you strip away the expectations and reconnect with your true self. What's up, party people? I've been thinking about how we spend so much time trying to figure out who we should be that we forget to discover who we actually are. So go ahead, grab your journal, and let's dive in. All right, and right now I'm going to switch over to the Journal Party app. We've got our program here with all of the prompts loaded. You'll see each prompt on screen, and then we will spend about 2 minutes journaling through each prompt. Remember that there's no right or wrong way to approach these. Just write whatever comes up for you, even if it feels messy or unclear. And if you're still figuring out who your true self is, well, that's exactly why we're here. Prompt number 1, raw moments. Write about a time when you felt completely yourself, no performance or pretending required. What were you doing? Who were you with? What made that moment feel so authentic? Energy mapping. What activities, people, or environments consistently drain your energy versus those that naturally fuel you? Write about the patterns you notice. Childhood whispers. What did you love doing as a child before anyone told you what you should or shouldn't pursue? What drew you in completely where time seemed to disappear? Values in action. Describe a decision you made that felt completely right, even if others didn't understand it. What values were you honoring in that choice? Future self. Imagine meeting your most authentic self 5 years from now. What would surprise you most about who you've become? What would they want you to know right now? All right. So that first prompt was actually kind of interesting for me because it was about like when you're not performing. And what I actually realized is that I think my true self is naturally a performer. That's when I feel the most alive, and that's when I actually feel the most authentic, even when I'm putting on a show. So I'm gonna have to dig into that one a little bit because it sort of surprised me, because I know there's this idea of like social masks and, you know, basically being anything but your authentic self. It's interesting though that I naturally gravitate towards opportunities where I'm able to put on that sort of show and be a performer. So pretty cool. Another thing that I realized is that my energy patterns are telling me a lot about alignment. And what I mean by that is that when I'm doing work that matters to me, like creating these sessions or doing Journal Party Live, time just flies. That one also kind of brought me back to the performance thing, because especially when I'm performing, time seems to fly. But not just performing, I think it's also about creation and co-creating. Like when I was in bands and playing in band practice, we would be practicing for hours on end, but it never felt like that much time because we were all just so focused in the moment creating stuff together that felt really good. I guess when it comes down to it, I just really love creating things and bringing people together. And so that's literally what I'm doing right now with Journal Party. So it feels pretty authentic, feels pretty good. Anyway, I'm curious what came up for you, so definitely let me know what your insights were down in the comments. I think the biggest takeaway from today's session is just that your true self isn't something that you need to become. It's something that you need to remember or uncover, perhaps. So if this resonated with you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly journaling sessions. You can also download our Journal Party app for more guided prompts just like these. That's what we were journaling on today, and the link for that's down in the description. Also, don't forget to join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. That's where we all get together as a community on a live stream, we journal together, and then we hang out and share our insights at the end. It's super fun, it's been growing every week, and I'm really leaning into it these days because I'm starting to realize that I really do enjoy this group dynamic, this co-creating thing, and it's just exactly what we do over there. So if you like this format, check out Journal Party Live. I know you're going to love it. Lastly, thank you so much for journaling with me today. And remember that your authenticity is your greatest gift to the world. Now, if you want to dig a little bit deeper into self-discovery, go ahead and check out one of our other videos for some more guided journaling. Otherwise, we'll see you when we see you. And as always, party on.